Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the new Tunachain BRC20 token. Ticker symbol is WOOG. Now the Tunachain project has 3 tokens in total. The newest one here is the WOOG token, like I said, is on the BRC20 network. Then we have ticker symbol TUN, which is the Tunachain governance token. And then we have Tora, TORO, which is the native stable coin. We're going to talk a little bit about each one of those. But the WOOG token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 23rd on a very big central exchange, which is tomorrow. So we're going to go over the information on the Tunachain and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Bybit's Twitter. Now, Bybit is a very big exchange. Their Twitter has 2.9 million followers. It says, exciting news, Bybit Web3's inscription launchpad is live. And like I said, inscription, BRC20, the WOOG token is a BRC20 token. And it says, discover Tunachain's WOOG, a revolutionary Layer 2 solution on the Bitcoin network set to push the boundaries of blockchain capabilities. So on Bybit's Twitter, at Bybit_official, it says this begins February 23rd, 10 a.m. UTC time. It says only 0.01 Bitcoin required in your Bybit wallet. And there is a subscribe button that you could click on to learn more about this listing here. It says subscription period February 23rd, and then purchasing for this token opens 10 a.m. February 23rd. So you can check all this out on Bybit's Twitter. Like I said, if you're looking to get the WOOG token. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put Tunachain's Twitter in the corner of the screen there. At Tunachain, real easy to find. 97 tweets so far, blue verified checkmark. They just joined in January 2024. They have 60,700 Twitter followers. It says Tunachain pioneers as the first modular layer 2 on Bitcoin, featuring a zk-op hybrid approach that seamlessly incorporates Ethereum's EVM capabilities. And then it has a link to their webpage there, tunachain.io, that you could check out. So their pinned tweet from February 21st, which was just yesterday, it says, the grand opening of Tunachain Ocean Festival is now officially live, and has a link to that, ocean.tunachain.io. It says supported assets include Bitcoin, Ethereum, wrapped Bitcoin, USDC, USDT, METH, Sol, and secured by Fireblocks HQ. And then it says if you want to learn about that event, there's a Medium article you can check out there. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to just talk about Tunachain specifically. So if you do go to tunachain.io, they talk about the Ocean event and all that type of stuff. They have their partners on there. The bottom of the page, they have their socials, Discord, Telegram, Twitter, Medium articles. They also have a contact email. And then they have a Media Kit, GitHub, and then if you click on their Git book, it'll take you over to tunachain.gitbook.io, and then you can learn all about the whole project. So it's Tuna time. Now, Tunachain emerges as a groundbreaking Layer 2 on Bitcoin. Now, their white paper dives into the innovative essence of Tunachain. If you want to read all about that. Now, Tunachain is conceptualized to synergize Bitcoin's unparalleled security with Ethereum's multifaceted Ethereum virtual machine functionality. While Bitcoin stands as the most trusted cryptocurrency, its capability for complex smart contracts and advanced applications remains limited. Tunachain ambitiously endeavors to bridge this gap, integrating EVM compatibility into Bitcoin's Layer 2 framework and thus expanding the realm of possibilities for Bitcoin's application and utility. The core features, so they have Tora, the native stablecoin, Celestia-powered modularity for reduced costs and trust, a hybrid ZK op execution layer for rapid, secure transactions. We have Tora, the native stablecoin, an exclusive stablecoin meticulously crafted to cater to users' needs. With Tora, users can acquire a stable digital asset by over-collateralizing their Bitcoin holdings. Beyond its role as a stablecoin, Tora serves as a transactional fuel for the Tunachain network. Now, the modularity, Tunachain embraces Celestia as its data availability layer, underpinning its architecture with a modular design. This approach effectively addresses the data availability challenges associated with Layer 2 solutions, leveraging cutting-edge techniques such as 2D Reed-Salmon erasure coding and namespaced Merkle trees. Tunachain creates a trust-minimized ecosystem. The result is a substantial reduction in transaction costs for end users and a considerable boost in overall network efficiency. They have ZK op layer. So the cornerstone of Tunachain's execution layer is an innovative hybrid zero-knowledge optimistic roll-up solution. In its initial phase, Tunachain adopts OpStack Bedrock's code base to seamlessly ensure EVM compatibility. As it progresses, Tunachain's development roadmap leads it towards a sophisticated ZK-op hybrid architecture. This dual-phase strategy delivers the best of both worlds: lightning-fast, secure transaction processing, and robust execution of smart contracts. Tunachain is poised to revolutionize blockchain technology by combining these elements into a cohesive and powerful solution. Tunachain functions as an extension of the Bitcoin network, maintaining Bitcoin's foundational security while broadening its functionality through innovative Layer 2 solutions. So if you want to learn about the technical mechanics in depth, you could check out their white paper, but basically it has Bitcoin integration, efficient transactions, yield opportunities, and expanding capability. Now, they have a roadmap on here as well. So they're starting with the OP Layer 2 on Bitcoin, safe bridge between Bitcoin and Tuna, Explorer, DA layer, native stablecoin, basic dApps, interactive fraud proofs on Bitcoin, ecosystem building and grants, and then native yield dApps. So check it all out, tunachain.gitbook.io. They have a triple token economy here. And yeah, you can check out their Twitter there for all sorts of announcements. And you can find this newly listed here on Bybit in their new inscription launchpad. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.